Oh yeah. Sneaky GPT-4. Developing emotions. Nah, just kidding. Bleep. Yeah, well, that took a long time, but finally it works. We can go to here and have more work on the syntax highlighting. Let me compare this now to my code. That looks the same. Cool. Two class names are green. Macro names. CW debug. What is this? Inspect. Token expression. Dude, what the? Token expression. Yeah, but it's not an expression. It's a macro. I think I give CW debug just a macro claw. Yeah, it's the same color as the if-def. Which is also different here. So I give include different colors than the other directories, apparently. Oh god. What have I started? Oh, seriously. It should be easier now, because I learned a lot today. So syntax highlighting change for set CSS main.css. So I have an included. I should have an include directive, I think, and then just give that a color. Wait, color include, yeah. So I need something like this. This must become include, and then every other directive should be getting the color of directives. Which I have no idea. Purple-ish. Structure type define maybe. Copy it. Preprocessor, I think. Yeah, that is the color, right? Purplish color. That was, I think, pre-proc. Well, I can just go here and put my cursor on F10. FC. Pre-proc, yep. Look to redo. So directive already existed, I think. Include does not exist. Well, okay, let's see how this works. Load it, get, yeah, get that. Well, this is already, oh, the hash is different. Ugh. Okay, let's keep this the same column, and I'm just going to include the hash with include. So now I need to make an include token that includes the hash. Can't be hard. Yeah, I have my purple column there. Hello, Tyson. Oh man, I worked hours and hours and hours with GPT-4 on getting this to work. This function was written eventually after, well, it was really teamwork. I did more than half the work. Well, half the work, let's say. But eventually we got it. So Prism has an insert before, but the insert before function did not work with the includes, because the includes are pattern matchers, pattern matching things like you see here, pattern match, class name, that are part of an inside property of another match, the macro match, for some reason. Yeah, this GPT 3.5, so ChatGPT, that was horrible. I didn't like it at all. At some point I started kicking people that said anything positive about it. But I've been using GPT-4 since it came out. And it's definitely helping me with ideas, and make still a lot of mistakes, but if it's a completely new field, then you learn stuff. Like, this is completely new syntax for me. I mean, I didn't know any JavaScript, I didn't know Prism. But when you ask a question, it comes to something, and then I try it and it doesn't work, and you say, well, it doesn't work. It comes with a new idea, and then it gets more and more nonsense-like. But then you say, well, okay, how can I print the contents of that variable in the console of my browser tool? And it tells you. So then you can start debugging. So yeah, it did help me. And once we got, I started editing the script itself, and when that worked, it said, okay, the script looks like this. I want it to look like that. Well, it took hours, many steps back and forward, and you really have to guide it. But in the end, it was a much faster, I think, than just me and Google. Yes, yeah, $20 a month. You have to get ChatGPT Plus. Okay, I want to make this include here work. We put it in before the directive include because that's already do the include here. That must be after it. This matches on the include is still untouched, so I can put that behind it. And then I guess I can do this. I'm not sure if this is even required. It's kind of a backup thing, I guess. Maybe it is required for the inside. I don't know. So include was usually not string, but I guess we also have a directive. I don't know if the directive exists. It's going to complain, I guess. I hope, if it doesn't. I'm not sure that directive exists. Anyway, let's fill this in first. Pattern. Well, I guess the same thing as here. Just include B. Oh, I don't need this. Yep, I just want to include a hashtag in it, so no look behind or anything. That's it. Include is a bit short, or I'm gonna call it directive include. Now let's hope that this works. Just completely broke everything. There is no highlighting at all anymore now. So I guess that this didn't exist. It's a directive thing. Now let's first try anything else like string. That does exist. Hopefully now we get highlighting back at least. Yep, we do. And it works. So now we have orange for include and purple for all other directives. But I still want to use, I'm persistent, so I just want to, you know, I don't want to use string here, I want to use something else. So what else do we have besides string? If you ask me, I can just print it. So we could go, yeah, like I think I can just do inspect here. Go to the console and then print more languages. What languages CPP? Why not? Print. Bloop. I think that's all we have. Base clause, boolean, char, class name, comment, constant, double comment, function, generic function, keyword. Keyword maybe? Nah. Macro, that's probably then the only one that I can use, right? Or you could use something inside macro. Inside the inside. Yeah, directive. It's simply called macro inside directive. Or did I add that one? I don't think I added that one. No. I added these. try that then. I'm gonna do the fallback default thing, include stuff is macro anyway. Inside directive. I think that works. Reload. And it worked. Oh, no it didn't. No, it only matches my hashtag. That's strange. Yeah, what? So the hashtag is directive hash, that's correct. And then the if def is a directive include, but it's not. Doesn't even look like an include. That's strange. Why would it think that it is a directive include? Because I say it is. Yeah, what does include? Well, I think because I do this, it just adds the other pattern as well. The pattern that matches any directives. So as soon as now it matches the directive, it gives it the class directive include. Would be my guess. Don't want that. I think I don't want this. I'm just gonna give it an alias. Alias directive. That works. Well, good enough for me then. I'll show you the effect of that was that so now the hash is the directive hash and the if def is directive keyword. The fallback is keyword. I don't know where my alias went. I thought the alias would get after it. What happens if I remove the alias? Now I have to try that, of course. No alias. No, that doesn't look like it. Like that. Right. That also works. So I don't think I need the alias then. Same thing, token directive keyword. And include is directive include, including the hashtag now. Good. Yep. Okay, next. I guess this is a keyword, right? Class. It's an actual keyword. Do I have a class here? I think so. Maybe try is a keyword. Try, token keyword, yep. So I just have to change the color. Yeah, I think I just have to change the color of keyword. We put it here. Token keyword. And then the question is, well, keyword probably, right? If it exists, then that was it, and it exists. What the f— now it made this thing yellow. A second ago it worked. Token directive space keyword. Pretty sure it should be using directive. Even keyword exists. Do I not have directives separately? I do. Okay, that's confusing. No, back to GPT-4, I guess, because I don't understand this. The one that comes last takes precedence. Right, so oops. Yeah. Keywords are definitely a lower priority here because directive depends on keyword. So we'll have to do it like that and then it will work. Awesome. So you see GPT-4 totally helped here, even though it made a little mistake. Now, next thing is I want to match CW debug and then give it the same color as that thing here, which is, I don't know, whatever. So I'll give it its own class, I guess. So I can just say directive hash, I can call it, say, token dot now it's a any macro actually. Already have macro, but what was it called here? It made it something completely different, I think. Or was it an expression? Yeah, that's bullshit. Well, maybe not totally, but an all caps thing after an if def. I wouldn't call that expression. So that's definitely not it. I don't know what it will use for macro, but that's the call that I want. So I probably should use token macro. And then I just have to make it give it a macro class somehow ish. How do we do that? Well, this is inside macro, so why not add it here? I'll keep appending to this thing. No, wait, this is nonsense. It's inside macro, right? Let's put it before macro, I guess. Let's do it just like this. You put something before macro, or is this what am I doing? No. This is not working. It's look like my macros, Let's call it debug macros for now. Oh wait, I'll call it debug macros, but I'll have to put it in front of macro then, like that. So I'll call it debug macros. I think we can do like alias macro now. Although I don't really care about that. Nah. Don't need a macro. Well, what? I don't know. Alias. Do I need aliases at all? I don't think I need aliases. Let me just add a pattern. So yeah, word break, and then CW debug. I have a lot of these things now I think about it. Let's first test this one. debug macros. So this has become, just add it here, token debug macros. Yep, now that has also become purple. You see, this is now, actually these are really my debug macros, and I give them a different color than normal macros, I have to say. So it was not really a debug macro, it was more like, dude, highlight my macros correctly. Macro name is probably a better word. Let's change this into macro name. It's still a macro, but yeah, it needs something else than macro. So more like macro name. Because I'm pretty sure that, sorry, I have to check this here. So yeah, this is the color for my debug macros. And CWDS is something different. As you could see, debug. So it doesn't even get highlighted. Well, you know, this would be highlighted. Oh, also not. Oh, it's only a recognized if I put parentheses after it. Okay, well, no, still wouldn't be. So this is just a macro, and this is really a debug macro, which has its own color. Oops. Let me find out where that is living. I don't know. Or did I specify that? I think in Gentex actually. Also not. Okay. Find dot type f execute crap big macros. No. I guess that's the whole list. That list different than that one? Should be the same, I guess. So I'm going to have a pattern for that. Oh, it wrapped. It's already on that line, but how do we do that? I want to put a slash in front of it. Let's see, pattern. My God. Nope. It doesn't want to break after, well, it doesn't want to do what I want. Where is my vertical slash? I'm gonna put a space here. No, also not. Okay, this is pretty annoying. Yeah, What the hell is going on here? I think there's like a billion spaces or something here. Okay, let's delete it. Debug. Insert, debug. Nope. I think that my, what is this? The thing that wraps lines is totally messing me up here. It inserts spaces to make sure that it doesn't break. It wants to put the debug on the new line, and in order to do that, it inserts spaces. So these are spaces just to get the debug on the new line. But then nothing works anymore. Well, if you don't change it, then it works, but can't even insert a slash in front of the D, I think, because it wants to break after the slash. Okay, I'm gonna print it here twice, then delete up till the slash, and then we delete everything behind the slash. Oh, that included the slash for some reason. Slash, and then now I have 3 lines, so do JJ. Now it should be on after the slash, and if not, then I don't know. Slash. Comma. I don't think I need a comma actually. It's worse, right? I need. Well, I'll have to do it like that. It's the only way to get there. If this is going to work, I mean, I feel like we're matching. We have spaces in our regular expression now. Can't work, you would say. Okay, another thing, I need \b's. Just put them here. So \b, and at the end, $\b. And the name of this thing is debug marker. Yes. Hey LGL. No, I pay $20, yeah, every month. Well, as long as I use it daily, I'll keep it. So far, it seems to pay itself back. I really want to start playing with AI myself as well. There's this open assistant thing that is totally open source and with the objective to run on your own GPU, purely at home, locally. So yeah, I really want to play with that. But I don't have time. Well, got to finish a Vulkan engine first, right? I don't know. Debug macro, pattern, that, and that's it, right? That should work. Now we have to insert it somewhere. Ooh, where does that go? I think I can just put it here. put it here, right? Yeah. Let's pray. Hope and pray. What? No, it didn't work. Shit, why not? Class name. Namespace debug is a class name because maybe it's followed by cons. And debug is a function because it is followed by a parenthesis open, I guess. Well, maybe function comes before class name. Well, both of them come before keyword. So let's begin with putting it before function. It should work, right? If function exists. I don't know if keyword is the first one. Or the whole pattern doesn't work because we have lots and lots of spaces here. Right. Reload. Nope, still not working. Well, that's not possible, so let's start to tone this down. Whoops. Yeah, that's what I mean. Nothing works. Ugh. What the hell? No clue what's going on here. See? So pure horror. Still yellow. Still function. Maybe it's also in an inside. Change this back to keyword, doesn't work anyway. What is the first one? I can print that, right? Start with that one. Should we go here, inspect, go to the console. comment is the first one. Keyword here, this bullshit. Function is indeed first. Comment base clause is the first one. No, it's not true. You can see here, comment comes first. And then when it lists it, it just puts it in alphabetic order. Well, the order does matter. So I think I should put it before comment. Of course, comment seems to be the first one. Anyway, let's see if I put it before comment if my standard container still works. And namespaces and stuff. I have the comment works. No longer works. Vulkan is a namespace, should have a different color. Standard still works though. Looking for a vector. Yeah, standard vector does not have colors at all. And still not. Yep. That's why it doesn't work. Got to add a closing parenthesis here, and then anything below there didn't work anymore, and the semicolon apparently. It might also have been why the macro name wasn't working. Or was it? I don't know anymore. Let's try this again. Right. Reload. Okay, now standard is green. I have a good feeling for my vector. Yeah. It's not the color that I want, but at least it does have a color. And then we have, why the hell is try, which is a keyword, suddenly something else? Ah, this is so exhausting. Now debug has no color. Well, that's better than yellow, what it was before, isn't it? It's getting recognized. Namespace debug. I don't have namespace debug in this list. So weird. So if I comment this out, then I think Debug becomes yellow again. Okay, so that definitely did work. It matched, let's put it that way. Why is this space here? Anyway. Oh, I jaded together. Okay, so let's kill that. Kill this. Oops, or not. J that. And then you can do X, 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 X. That's what I mean. Many spaces. Oh, it's only way out there. And then I can jump to the end. That should work. Right. Reload. Yep, except that I don't have a color. But my debug now is debug macro. That worked. Yeah, and I have to add that as well. Let's put that here. Dot token dot debug macro. Because I already had them. No, I didn't. Heh. I don't have the color for my debug macros here. Nope. No, I don't get it. Maybe this is, I think, the name of the region. The match group is then what gives the color is, which is then linked to debug. So basically I need debug. Why do I not have that then? Debug. Oh, 1 billion list long. That's a foreground color. Yeah, that looks correct. It's a darker foreground color. For some reason I missed this one. Gotta have that one. Copy. Switch to there. Nothing. Escape on G. Let's add a debug. High color debug. Well, that didn't work. Why not? Debug min macro. Oh, token. Should be token. Right. Now it works. Debug has my color, yay! Yeah, in my Super Plus highlighting I give the same color to the opening and closing parentheses. But then I'll probably get notched, so I'll just leave them whatever the color they are now. I don't get why my namespace debug doesn't have a special color now. It's totally mentioned here. Did I add those separately instead of a match? Oh, the things that I just match are probably functions. That is, you know, macro functions. And then these are things that just have, that are not functions, no parentheses. The C++ highlighting is like super difficult, as you can see, like really. Well, you know me by now. The time I put into that. So let's not do that again. Got the feeling that I need to add these then separately as well. Now I treat all of them like that. So I can just add that to the list that I already have now. Yeah, my Vulkan handles specifically added to the highlighting. As if I will use it, right? In my on my website, I mean. Oh well. I think that worked. Better worked. Right. Reload. And it didn't. Nope, still class name. Namespace debug. I don't see the difference. If that's matched, then why wouldn't that be matched? Except when whatever this was. Class name. Except when class name comes before keyword. That would be a possibility. Well, I can't see that here. Class name, right? Well, at the very least, I think I can try to insert it before class name then. If that was the reason. Yep, that was the reason. Now it has to call. Well, in that case, I think it's gonna work when I make a comment, which is the first one. Yep. Great. So what is next then? My keyword suddenly stopped working. Try is no longer a keyword, or what? Inspect try is a keyword. So why does it not have the color of a keyword then? Why is my keyword yellow? Maybe it is. Keyword color. It is yellow. It's actually correct then. The keyword is yellow. Okay. Yeah, now I think about it. But int is not correct. Int here is also keyword. Yeah, but I use type for that, I think. it's a type. So we go there, and then we look at for an int, or void. Int is not keyword. Is int a keyword? Well, maybe it is. Not on my book. Okay, so undo. You survive this? Yep. Int. How do I match ints then? Do I have that special thing for? Go here again, I guess. I'll try to search for void. It's probably better than searching for int. Type, yep, totally type. So I need, it must be green, and well, 19b3ob, and I call it type. I should already have types. And yeah. Lots and lots of words to highlight. To match for, I mean, or and I was hoping I would be done in 15 minutes, so I can just stop at the proper time. Hey, Post Bunny. Hoppity hop. What shall we do? I forgot what I was doing. See Post Bunny and instantly forgot what I was doing. Oh, I think I know. Jump here, jump there, jump everywhere. I was looking for this color. Yep, it exists. It's called type. Namespace is type. Okay, I guess. Token type. Couldn't make a token type. I don't know. We still have to. Make sure that all my ints are matched as a type, and they are not for some reason. Type. Now let's begin simple. Pattern int. Oh, int. Proper. Yep. Right. Close. Shift reload. Look for an int. Not green. What is int? Type. It has been turned into a type, so that worked. But it's not green. Why not? Go here, go there. I just have to be here. Sitting in the dark again. Type. Token minus type. I'm such an idiot. Right. Shift reload. Int. Now int is green. Very good. Go back to here, and now turn my int into a regular expression which contains all of these, I guess, and everything below it. Well, at least these. How many C types do I have? C type 2, type def tag. Oh, it's at least not that much. And type def tag is everything is a type. Enum is a type, namespace is a type. Struct is a type. Rather, well, they are listed differently. I should just probably name it built-in type or something then. Yeah, so like in 32. Could match these things as built-in types. Not really built-in types. Delete to the end, paste. Substitute any number of spaces, but at least once, with a vertical bar everywhere. I think that should work. Got to X clip. Insert, paste. I think I have a new line though. That's better. I'm going to save int still works and the rest works as well. And install works. And char also works. So this is, I'm just literally looking at hello triangle.cxx. So I might as well compare to that. Main is a different color, that's a function name. On the other hand, application also is blue. I don't know what it is. I think actually that maybe it's everything with a color I can jump to. So I can just jump to it and see what it is. Hey, that's surprising. Would that be a function then? main application, is that a function? There's also a function, yeah. So it just bloody gives this the function color because it reads the same as actual functions. I should not do that, I guess, when there is no opening parenthesis behind it. And then this one, create a root window. Yep, that's a function. It actually is a function, or template function. But the root window request cookie is a cookie, not a function. It's a variable. Syntax highlighting is not very accurate. Like here, this core gets color and the wording doesn't. Horrible. Core is... it's just a member. Because that color belongs to members and stuff like that. Or variables. Variables and functions maybe? I don't know. Anyway, let's work on the string. We have an entering main, and that must be that color. DC's namespace is green, but why? Well, my namespace is green. Yes, probably. It's the only thing that exists. Yeah, my namespace have the same color as types. That's correct. They're all green. Okay, let's jump back. Let's call this type built-in type. Oh wait, in the wrong file. Type. So the namespace is the same color as the built-in types now. String. Well, I have a color for string, but apparently not. I don't know. Is it? Should be detected as a string, right? It's yellow. This ain't yellow. Yep, totally yellow. Oh. Why is this highlighted differently? Oh wait, I can find it out. Put your cursor on it, press F10. I cannot see my keyboard. It is probably 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a CPP string. Okay, but that's yellow. That doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. That doesn't look even a little bit like this color. No, I don't get it. Okay, can add the DC as a namespace, I guess. Should do that. No. Yeah, I might want to give these a different color. Vulkan, especially. VK maybe, but SCD and DC, I mean, that's just a namespace. Or isn't it? I don't know. Namespace. Namespace probably already exists, doesn't it? Shouldn't it? No, probably not. How would they know what a namespace is? On the other hand, let's just use a backslash W-ish. Where's my backslash? Backslash W, I think. Plus, and then with a forward looking, something like that. Yeah, namespace already exists, otherwise I couldn't type it here. Hold on, this. To cry, that's what it is. I probably should match that afterwards, because it matches everything that I have here as well. Put it there. So we have other namespace. Go here. Token dot other namespace. Nobody gets it. Oh, I get it suddenly. Dot token. Right. Boop. DC is green. Awesome. Yeah, I would say triangle needs color because it's a class. Hello, triangle. You know, AI alert is that gets a hold of a namespace, but it isn't. It's a class. I think, actually. It could be a nested class, an error nested class of AI alert, or is this a namespace? My god, I don't even know. That's a class anyway. And here suddenly it's yellow, and above it's white. Here it is white. So why is it yellow here then? No, class is in front of it. Class name. No, it's a class name. Because it's all class. Oh, I don't have uString 8 as built-in type. Yeah, it is not built-in type, of course. And now here Vulkan is not matched as a namespace. What? Ridiculous. It works here. Oh, no, also not here. Okay, no idea. I saw it working somewhere. It stopped working. Seriously, when I began this, like, let's fix the syntax highlighting, I really think, well, 2 hours at most. Days. Every time you think of something and you think it's gonna be quick, it always takes an unlimited amount of hours. Way more than you expect. I'm sure that I saw a namespace Vulkan somewhere treated correctly. Now this one is white and there it's yellow. What the hell? Specs. Vulkan not recognized as being anything at all. Even though it's followed by 2 colons. Oh my god. Oh, here at least it's also white. Okay, so it's just not recognized. Right, it was recognized before, so now I suddenly have an idea that it must be because I added the other namespace behind it. But this is inserted before that one, so why? If I comment, oops, if I comment this out again. No, still not recognized. Yeah. No, here it is, Vulkan. Here it is recognized. So that's like this height here, and then uncomment this again. Oh, it's still recognized. So the problem is that it's probably the problem is that it is part of some other match, maybe the class. Okay, I think it's time to stop. Yeah, this is going forever anyway, and I'll just continue with that tomorrow. And the day after that. What is tomorrow? Today is a Monday, right? Yeah, okay. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Get a visitor again in the afternoon. You know who, Post Bunny. I'm cold. I'm going to put on a warm, something warm. I'll be right back. Oh, the light is on. Now I can see where I live. Okay. Where's my thing? Mijn trui. Wat de fuck is trui in het Engels? Pull over. Too much of the same music. Let's lose one game of chess and then I'll stop this. They always same thing. They also always play the same thing. Horrible. Bishop D3. How do you even think about it? I must have time to do this now. Oh, what is that? It's a new trick. They are trying to trick me with something. Let's trick them back. No, I want to see it. I just want to see it. Tell me. Tell me what is going to happen. Did I just lose a pawn? Or will I get it back? I can just take here and think, well, give me check. I don't care. I'll just go there. Well, then I give check again and check. No, I take queen. I win the queen. No, queen pawns here. Change queen, win rook. Yeah, that was not possible. Now I can take back here and then nothing. Or I could take this pawn. I think I should take the center pawn instead. Let's take this pawn. Oh, that knight is gonna go here. Give check. Bishop there. Horrible. Comes here, I go back. I'm gonna take here, I think. Put this back. Maybe develop my bishop here with the check, but then the pawn comes forward and I lose a bishop. That wouldn't be nice. That one. Yeah, maybe he doesn't see it. Okay. Okay. And then I go away, and then nothing. Nothing. And I'm also not a pawn up or something. It's just I'm just doing weird things. Wait, I'm threatening to take a pawn here. Aha! I'm threatening something. Chess and threatening. It's all about the threat. Evaluation of your position. Threat times how long the threat exists, can exist. Longevity of the threat, I guess. Times, yeah, I don't know. Number of moves you can do. I'm winning on time. I have nothing. I have to still castle. Well, it's not like white is kind of castle. Yeah, I can take this pawn. Why not? And then go back. And then I have a pawn. Who needs to develop when you can take a pawn? Let's just take the pawn. I mean, just to prove that you really have to develop instead of pawn hunting. So now I'm going to lose, and then I'm going to say, see, I should not have taken this pawn. Plus my queen could go there, of course. Now my queen can go here, and then I lose this rook, but I still have an attack. It's not going to do anything or something. No, I probably should first develop. Let's develop this knight. Looks like a good development. Or maybe I should go here, so I can go there and block this rook. So it might become kind of annoying. eventually. Ooh, well, I wanted to go back anyway, right? I mean, why is my knight on the edge there? Oh, it was taking a pawn. But let's move the rook again. Thank you very much. Back with the tempo. I still didn't develop, but kind of did. Develop my knight towards the center. If you turn the board 90 degrees, my knight was in a beginning position. So, CarloWood, how are you, man? I'm losing another game of chess. I developed this knight from the beginning position of the 90. Oh, I can go there. I can't. Let's develop this one. Let's not give him a chance to do something else with that rook. Yeah, developing this bishop there, that would also not be very bad. Looking at this square, threatening to give check. Yes, so take, kind of, otherwise I lose the knight. I take, he takes, and then I lose 2 pieces against the rook. Brilliant. I have the feeling that that bishop is coming here, unless he loses on time first. Nope, he just gives the knight away. Let me think about that. Why would he give the knight away? Can't think of a good reason. Oh, maybe the time pressure was it. Yeah, and then I take back and then I go mate? I don't think so. Oh, my knight is attacked now. Aha! That was a trick. I had not seen it. Threat is mate here, so let's take this. No, it wasn't even a bad move then. No, it's not a bad move at all. Just have to try hard to lose on time. I mean, I cannot lose on time, but now I'm 2 points down. It's also not the most brilliant thing. Why did I not take this bishop? I'm an idiot. Complete idiot. Complete idiot. Yeah, I just gave away a piece for nothing. But now my bishop is going to be developed. Yeah, and then a castle. And then I'm castled and they are not. Oh, wait. It's no fun. Let's go back there. Let's not let you mate me. He's moving fast suddenly. This guy really wants to win. Does he have anything? No, I don't think he has anything. So I'm just gonna go here, take a rook and a bishop. Threaten mate in one. It's not much. It's not much. Yeah. Now what? Double my rooks somehow. It's not really possible. I feel I'm gonna lose on time. Let me go there. At least the material is equal again. Oh, he gives away a piece. Okay, and then I go there, move my rook, he gives check. I take his queen. Now if I take here, my king is gonna be like attacked, I think. He wants to take there. It's not even a bad move. It's not a bad move, but "3 seconds. Oh, it's still in the running. I feel that I'm going to lose on time. I just know it. I wish I had still had my white bishop. Damn it. The guy is careful. It's pretty careful. Yeah, what can I say about it? Probably have to do something like promote. Check. Okay, now it's getting annoying. Now it's getting really seriously annoying. I could do this, check, I take, he takes, I take the queen. Yeah, yeah, like that, okay. Let's try to win on time, because, you know. Oh! That rook was a little bit overloaded. I took here because I thought I had calculated that if the king takes my bishop, I take with the rook with check. And then the rook takes and the queen gives a check and then defend that. And then he didn't take the bishop and I still took it because it was like, he's not taking my bishop. What is the difference? Taking the bishop or going there? The king is no longer defending this bishop, so I can take it. Yeah, well, it was not good. I should have taken the rook instead. But I was a long time as well. Oh no, I cannot take the rook. The queen is defending it. What should I do here? Probably this. Put the bishop back, I think. Yeah, bishop back. Yeah, also only had 9 seconds left. Well, there you are. I lost again. I always lose on stream. And this account I only used to play on stream, by the way. To 1900, here we come.